Hola, mi nombre es Daniela Cepeda Martínez de Promoción de Paz, su maestra de inglés, y el día de hoy vamos a continuar con nuestra tercera clase. Our learning topics for today's class include indefinite and definite articles, as well as possessive adjectives. We're going to start with indefinite and definite articles. A and an are used to count nouns. In Spanish, these articles are un, una. These indefinite and definite articles are used only for countable and singular nouns. We're going to see some examples. Remember that when we use an, it is when the word starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, and U. For example, we have here countable nouns, and we're going to start filling in this table. For example, mirror, a mirror, key, a key, una llave, egg, an egg, un huevo, earring, an earring. As you can see, egg and earring both have vowels at the beginning of the word, so we're going to use an as our indefinite and definite article. An apple, a pen, a bicycle, a photograph, a comb, cepillo, an orange, O is as well a vowel, an insect, a vowel again, a book, an ID card, I is a vowel, and a cookie. Remember that countable nouns are things that we can easily count. We can count how many mirrors are in a room, how many keys do we have, etc. But remember that an is only used when the word starts with a vowel, as I mentioned before. Una llave, un huevo, un arete, una manzana, etc. We're done with our first topic, so now we're going to see possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives are used to show who owns or possesses something. We're going to study this grammar box where we have the subject or pronouns, pronombres personales, and we have the possessive adjectives, adjetivos posesivos. For each subject pronoun, we're going to have a respective possessive adjective. For example, I, the possessive adjective would be my, yo, me, and so on. Here we have you and you both 2 times, but it is different because you in Spanish is tú, and you in Spanish can also be ustedes. This depends on the context. So for example, we're going to start with these examples over here, and these are in the order as it appears in the table of the subject pronouns. For example, this is my book, este es mi libro. This is your book, este es tu libro. This is his book, este es su libro. This is her book, este es su libro. This is its book, este es su libro. This is our book, este es nuestro libro. This is their book, este es su libro. I would recommend personally that you try to understand the English version, not the Spanish translation, because this can be a little bit confusing due to the fact that his, her, and its in Spanish is the same. So try to understand that for each subject pronoun we have a possessive adjective. And we're going to see some examples so this can be a bit more clear. For example, here I have placed several phrases, and I have also put the subject pronoun in a parenthesis so you know easily which possessive adjective to use. For example, where are my shoes? ¿Dónde están mis zapatos? Could you find your homework? ¿Pudiste encontrar tu tarea? Their dog is very strong. Su perro es muy fuerte. His favorite color is red. Su color favorito es el rojo. Where is her house? ¿Dónde está su casa? I want to visit Barcelona to visit its architectural sites. Quiero visitar Barcelona para ver sus sitios arquitectónicos. Our parents are very excited for their trip. Nuestros padres están muy emocionados por su viaje. We are done and finished with all of the topics that are our class number 3. And as a review, I want you to try and remember that for indefinite and definite articles, we only use a and an. And an is used for words that start with a vowel. And on the other hand, possessive adjectives, remember that this is to show what we own and what we possess. And to easily understand this, try to remember the subject pronouns and then associate each subject pronoun with its possessive adjective that I have shown you in the previous table. Espero que se haya entendido un poquito mejor el tema. Si tienen alguna duda, no duden en hacerla y yo puedo resolverla sin ningún problema. Y igualmente si tienen alguna sugerencia o cualquier retroalimentación, la tomaré en cuenta para seguir haciendo mejores videos. Muchas gracias y nos vemos pronto.